routine, huh? We gotta be out of here by about 7 a.m. Drop him off to school from Glendora to Monrovia. And that's where my day starts. So we're gonna start this vlog off by explaining our day, our routine daily, our daily life, huh? What we do on a daily basis. From Glendora to Monrovia, drop them off to school. I go to work, get it all done, go back, pick them up. Stay tuned. So it's about 7 in the morning. We're on our way to drop this guy off at school. And the fog is just thick. You know how to drive a stick shift, man? This is something you don't want to drive when you're in LA, man. LA traffic with the stick shift, don't do it. And pretty much all cars are they're going away from this. So by the time you're gonna drive, I don't think there's even gonna be these available anymore. We get going to the shop. I already dropped off Kobe. I'll be moving back here soon, maybe down the street right there. Get some coffee early in the morning before we get to the warehouse. Drive through Omani. It's always an adventure coming through here. You don't know what you're gonna see. Pulling up to the warehouse. We got big Bertha over there chilling. It's still kind of early. What time is it? 8:30. All right. There's all the junk. Time to figure out where all this stuff's gonna go. Schedule. All right, we're off to Lancaster. Come on, man, we gotta go. Oops.
Brake horsepower is available all the time, with 750 brake horsepower is available on overlist, along with 774 watts, 420 mm on front, 410 mm on rear, and rear axle steering.
This is an area that all burned down. What's smell, man? This guy farted. He's sitting in here with the windows down. Hotboxing. I stepped in the car and it fucking smells like fart. And man, you can still smell everything up there burned up. Everything. Does it smell better than my fart? I don't know what smells worse, the fires around here or just farts. But on our way to Lancaster, we'll be there soon. Just stay where we stay again. That's number 2. And we can get some. To the stars, son. This shit number 4, son. So that's number 3. That's number 4, man. That's number 4. 4 times he farted in the last 30 minutes and fucking stinks. Man, that is ripe. And we just got to Lancaster. Woof. Oh man. Job 1 done. Now sometimes the hardest part of my job is finding these people, so hopefully he's home. Last call, man. Just like that. Hurry up. Struggling to get out of the truck.
We are finally heading home. My dad just picked me up from school. We're gonna make some tacos right now. And yeah.
What time is it?
It is 6:13 right now.
6:13, man. And our day is coming to an end finally.
Yes.
That's it. After that's
like,
a typical day in the life of me and Kobe, huh? Take you to school, I run around, go to work, pick him up. It's already pitch black. I hate this time. Yo, don't you hate it?
But it's full moon.
Oh yeah, we got a full moon. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Full moon up there. It's about 1:40. I'm gonna go head to Monrovia, pick up Danny, head up to 5, drive for about 6 hours. We'll land in San Jose about 7:30, 8 a.m. and that'll be the start of another day. Stay tuned. because you've never seen what a motel looks like. You ever seen our room? VIP suite?
Usually with the bigger was a banger.
Jump over the fence. Training for when they build the wall. Shady Brady's. Oh, you don't see this?
Well, you're in the middle of the booth.
That's
so
you were
kinda-
spawning up the room last night, so we're
We're exiling you.
one of him is like rockstar. Where are we at? Man, they got their own ketchup
Like
too.
two above average type people.
He's like 1.5 person, so.
Wow.
It's Thursday night. I just dropped these guys off at home in Monrovia. Now it's time for me to go home. It's Friday morning, man. Are you ready for the subway? Yeah? It's finally, man. Finally, Friday. You got your subway? My man's got his subway. Got his drink. Better eat this before we get to school. So this is Friday breakfast. It used to be that chicken spot right there. We used to go and get chicken right there, but guess what? They stopped making the chicken. They used to make the chicken like at 6 a.m. and then the manager said that the chicken would just stay there and they wouldn't sell, so they stopped making the chicken until 8 a.m. which really killed our chicken mornings, huh? Fried chicken mornings.
So I said, let's go get Subway.
All right, we got Subway now, so gonna drop them off at school, do a couple things at work today, and then I'll catch you guys back up later on. So that's it, man. That's been our entire week this week. Our entire week this week, we started off this week in Oceanside, then we went, where did we go? We went Oceanside one day, Lancaster, came back to the shop, loaded up San Leandro. Oh, somebody's trying, oh, they stealing. And after San Leandro, see how distracted I get all this time? Can't stay on here, can't focus. It's kind of cold, but it's not as cold as Richmond, Oakland, Bay Area. This is nice. And that's it. That's 1 week. We're gonna start doing these weekly vlogs real quick. We got quick clips, and we'll be back up in Sacramento on Monday. So see you guys next week.